Durlabam Vande Vaikuntha. One verse from Srimad Bhagavatam, 11 canto. Devi Maharaj Navajanendra Rishi and Navajanendra Rishi and Devi Maharaj Samba. Durlabho Manso Deho Dehinam Chanabhungura Tatrapi Durlabham Vande Vaikuntha. Dehi means Jivatma, Jiva soul. Inside everybody, inside our body, Jiva soul is there. He is giving the consciousness. Jiva soul coming from Super soul, that is Lord Krishna. Jiva soul is the part and parcel of Lord Krishna. Jiva soul is Dehi. I have the body. And who is I? I am Jiva soul. I am the part. And I am the son of God.
आत्मा से अभी मन इच्छा में लेके भी आत्मा से सीधी आत्मा से कोई ना consciousness है भी चेतना कोई ना कहीं नो life form functioning से सीधी माता की महाराज ना है भी तो मसीह इस नाइट लाता है श्री भगवान कृष्ण देवी लापा ऐसे भगवान की मचानी है ना भगवान महाराज ना काफी
The body, we have got the body. We means with the Jiva soul. We means the part and parcel of God. We have got the body, Deha, Durlabha. Bhagavad says it is very rare. We have got the body, the rarest of the rare. Durlabha. You cannot get it easily. After traveling 18 lakhs of species, journey, but you have got, finally you have got the body of human. So human body is the rarest of the rare. You cannot get it easily. So many traveling, so other species of life. After that, being promoted, you have got this body of
free space pick up and come the copy.
that is human body. So the human body is the rare one. By little bit, by activities, you cannot get it. After life, you being promoted, then you have get this body. So the body, the human body is Durlabha.
हरे कृष्णा अकोई ना पंचरीवा हजान से तामना पंचरीवा हजान में आए महाराज काफी दुर्लभ है ना तांगा तो बियो मेरी मौत से अकोई ना 84 lakh species है बदी जीवा लाखा मरफू का मरीज है मसीह जो ओला ना तो जो ओना कोई लगा खबरदी मसीह हजान से कम करे है अलाइवा हजान बियो मेरी हजान खली बजे अलाइवा पोछना ना देना महाराज काफी
We have got the body, very beautiful body. It is very beautifully decorated, ornament. You know, ornament made of gold. But our body is very, very beautifully ornamented by hands, by legs, by ear, by nose, by hair, by nail. Everything is decorated in our body. So the human body is beautiful body. It is the highest body, and we can use this body for so many purposes. And up to Lord Krishna, attaining Lord Krishna, we can
Ini ho mane hong
utilize.
ka po lo le kan ka po hai na nang jukura ang awi ba ba.
ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯅꯦꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯗ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯤꯠ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯅꯥꯀꯣꯡ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯈꯣꯡ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯈꯨꯖꯤꯟ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯅ ꯌꯧꯅꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯅ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ.
The advantage of the body, this human body, is we can attain Lord Krishna. We can attain the abode of Lord Krishna. We can permanently, we can go and we can stay and we can serve Lord Krishna by this body. We can serve, we can do the pure devotional service, we can practice pure devotional service by which we can return to our eternal abode. This is the advantage of our body.
ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯚꯒꯋꯥꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯅꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ, ꯚꯒꯋꯥꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯅꯒꯤ ꯙꯥꯝ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯡꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯙꯥꯝꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯅꯕꯨ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯚꯛꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯁꯟꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁꯨද්ධ ꯚꯛꯇꯤ, ꯄꯨꯡꯁꯦꯡ ꯁꯦꯡꯂꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯚꯛꯇꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯒꯣꯂꯣꯀ ꯙꯥꯝꯗ ꯚꯒꯋꯥꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯅꯒꯤ ꯙꯥꯝꯗ ꯌꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯦ.
According to the consciousness, we are in the top. We are getting advantage to utilize the consciousness. But by this body, we are materially moving. We are enjoying here. Whatever we are enjoying, all these things are material, which is not permanent, which is perishable. So, in Shastra says, Ahar nidra bhaya maithunancha samanna etam pasubhi naranam. We have got the advantage to serve Krishna in this life. We can attain his permanent service, Nitya Seva. But this advantage is there. The body is not permanent. The body is passing through some changes. 6 type of changes is there: birth, childhood, boyhood, youth, old age. Like that, we are the nature nature of the body changing every day, and ultimately the body will vanish. The body will come to death, and our lovable object, the body will vanish.
महाराज tapi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯇꯅꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯒꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯠꯆꯥꯛꯅ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯇꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯇꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯤꯇ꯭ꯌ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ spiritual body ama paalakansidayda tuma naina akoy bhagwan seva tauba yagani na taki adu sida akoy hujik material body haibadi sida pajani akoy da pimi rai ka hachang sidi ahom batal khakte na taki ahom batal kari no haibada topa adagi angang rai kitan charapa adagi dimai jumon chi nei rai adagi kitan kano to rai mo kai pandadi youth hai ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯍꯟꯅꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯡꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ.
We love this body. It is very much affectionate to us. But Shastra says the body is not lovable object. Lovable object is only Krishna, God, Creator, Almighty. He is the lovable object. He is the eternal. He is the absolute. He is full of potency. So, Krishna is the only lovable object. But to us, this body becomes lovable object. It is bad. It is wrong. The body is made of 5 elements, gross elements. That is earth, fire, air, water, ether. 5 gross elements. The element coming from Maya, the external potency of Lord Krishna. So, the body will vanish. It has got birth and it will die one day. So, the body is not lovable object. We are using this body to gather knowledge. We are using this body to acquire money, fame, home, and we are using this body for material enjoyment. What animal birds are doing, we are doing the same. We are enjoying the same thing. What is animal are doing? Mating, defending, sleeping, all these things we are doing. Ahar, nidra, bhay, maithun, eating, sleeping, mating, defending. We are doing 4 things with this body. What animal is doing. So we are whatever we are doing, whatever we are trying to do, whatever we are enjoying materially, it is not good for us. It is karma, and it will let us travel life after life.
ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯒꯗꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯒꯗꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ Kaya naman si Krishna di, Nityani, si Krishna di asimba, oy, aduga, mahagdi, Aishwarya, ay mamunda, yaudaba, karita late, mamunda, wala makumana, wala yaudaba, Krishna di, ang chang si Diyan, ako'y tibiyo ka din na, ang chang din na nusibule. Kasi magiging ang chang din nusibang pukti, na kapili. Ang chang si Diyan ka pagtapili, no, ay hindi ko yung yan kansa na ba, at hindi ako yung paisakan ba, at hindi yung kayo mga pag na ba, at hindi chat pag na ba, sila na yung kayo. At ako'y sangsari ko iba, ako season na ba, ako'y yun din ang chang si. Kasi iba din, pinaiba ang chang si Krishna si Balato, kung kita pagtapili ng na maharap sa kapili. Ito na, Niwan na pupunta agad pwede siya panjabut ay mga element mga claim masidigan din mga kaya pili adagi may adagi ising lungsip aduga aka masigi mga na pwede ka pwede kacang sa ni ng mga tapi masigi po pwede siya maya nila ay maya siya kayo ada Bhagavan Shri Krishna di Shakti Bhagavan Shri Krishna di Shakti ni tapi alam, miyon mas malay ko kaya nakakar ng kaya may ng asidi sa uji ko sa toba. Bukas sumalit sa kabane, tumbali, adili, mali, may mutipan, mababa, may kapaba, adili, mali, kaya hadare, iba nga sa rin marami ako. Masakan dyan naman, sige mayang siya, mida na sama sa tawin na kaya. Kasi magigipili ba ang chance, masitaw naman din natin na si Papa. Kita magkapiban niya na mahalas ng namin.
The second line of the sloka says, Tatrapi durlabham manne vaikuntha priyadasi. The body is there, but after getting this body, it is more rare to have darshan of a sadhu, Vaishnava, Krishna Bhakta. It is rarest of things. All human beings cannot come in contact with a real sadhu, because a real sadhu, a real Krishna Bhakta, a pure Vaishnava, you cannot get it easily. But in this creation of Lord Krishna, there must be 1, 2 or 3 pure Krishna Bhakta, maybe less, very less in quantity, but qualitatively he is the great one. He can let us free from the circle of birth and rebirth. That is called Vaikuntha Priya. Vaikuntha Priya, the near and dear one to Lord Krishna. That is Vaishnava, Sadhu, pure devotee, pure Vaishnava. It is very rare, and you cannot easily come in touch with a pure Vaishnava.
Vaikuntha Priya ay sida kacang pagbasisu yang na kaya tawin ay tama magsikap tama mamapok sida biyo kacang pagin ano sida ni na tama sida rin no kaya sadhu Vaishnava dinabase kasi na amo kaya na tama ay at Bhagavan di pa si Java di mo Vaishnava to at bujage at kita siya tawag niya kasi biyo bigyan kacang kundi bang na ni hada lete at pa di tama natapos di sadhu Vaishnava na sa base siya na nangil na mga rasa kapili. At live natin live ang sadhu Vaishnava. Tingnan pa si live natin at ba ko yung marata na si sadhu Vaishnava pili eh siya ko yung oy na ba live pa ba niya si ta siya sa base sida yang nasu Bhagavan di ajan ba manay si Vaishnava si yang live na su ko pagde aduga masing siya tangi ay marasa na kapili siya tinatali Bhagavan ka paitagin nak na nalay jaba paitagin ng si jaba Krishna kumasak ang ba ang dugumbati ang tawisyo ang ganyan ang pili.
How you can come in touch we get pure devotee, pure Vaishnava. You need not have some material quality like you have knowledge, you have money, you are coming from a rich family, or you have capacity to manage many people. That type of characteristic, that type of eligibility, by that type of eligibility you cannot come in touch with a pure Vaishnava. But Shastra says you need Shraddha, you need faith, you need some Sukriti. Sukriti, it is Vaishnaviya term. Sukriti, the word, it is used in devotional scripture. Sukriti means you can understand sinful activity. You can understand pious activities. But Sukriti is apart than that, pious activities. If you are doing pious activities in this human life, which is related to Krishna or Krishna Bhakta, then it will be Sukriti. Three things is there: sinful activities, pious activities, and activities which is related to Krishna and Krishna Bhakta. These three things. Sinful activity will bring you to hell. The pious activity will bring you to heaven. But the activities which is related to Krishna, the pious activities which is related to Krishna Bhakti, it will take you to a Krishna Bhakta, a bona fide spiritual master, a pure devotee who can change your life.
Krishna ni Bhakta satu asingga Vaishnava kamaina thigatani kamaina andaki mapok sa desya kamaina thinagani ay namaya sa kamaina ay believe. Ako'y madugi damak pangnadugi damakta sangsari ko iba dugubang qualification hay nadi good kay sudah naliti hay dahil para sa tapi sigyan yang iba sayang pa iba nadi ang inakaratin ba yung dilikat pa ni mayang magpurba ngamba adugumba nati hay adugumba na tayo ng pangkatuba nati na mga sa tapi pero kami na tayo ng pangkatagi kada apoy na Shraddha, ay thazaba, achibat thazaba, aduga Sukriti hai. Sukriti hai kasi di ako na jung nagi sumana icam-cam na kasi pagkakapir tong jadi sisi na di hai. Sukriti hai kasi Maharaj na hari kasi sumana handi hai. Tabak among maglay hai, nakapada ko yung pa, tabak mayaman tawa, patigi ani sugada, apa tabak mayaman tawa, among sugada, Krishna na manilay na tabak tawa. Ado na masige among siya, sige Dahil kita kali-kali pun magdadagi ada pag mayang tawdara gadi ako yung kacagani ay nakapili. Ado apa mo mayang tawdara gadi ako yung sword na kacagani nakapili. Ado Krishna gamari na ba kapag tawdara gadi ako yung Krishna Bhakta siya. Ado ako yung guru, ako yung one of my spiritual master ako yung wag sa pili pag magdadaban sa ating po pa siba ay nga na yung sige jadi tadi bang betul betul berguru doa betul pemikiran tadi yang nama saya pilih.
In Chaitanya Charitamrita, written by Krishnadas Kaviraj, there you can see Brahmanda Brahmite Kalo Bhagavan Ji Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Beach. When we are traveling in this material world, enjoy something material. We are taking birth and rebirth. We are doing karma. According to the karma, we are getting another body after our death. So we are traveling. The Jiva soul is traveling. But when one Jiva soul can gather more Sukriti, he called Mahabhagavan. ब्रह्मांड भ्रमिते कोनो भाग्यवान जी, भाग्यवान, very fortunate soul. After within your karma, you are doing karma. Sometimes you are doing bad thing, you are sinful activity you are doing. Sometimes you are doing spice activity. But in between, sometimes you are suppose with your friend on Sunday, you do not believe Radha Krishna, you do not know what is Radha Krishna, you don't know what is God, who is the creator, but your friend take you to the temple and you went there, you give some donation to the temple, it becomes Sukriti. Because the donation to the poor, that is called pious activity. But donation to sadhu, Krishna Bhakta, or in Krishna temple you are giving donation. It is, the activity is related to Krishna. So it becomes Sukriti. When somebody gather more and more Sukriti, not simple activity, not pious activity, you gather more Sukriti, then you become Bhagavan. And after gathering so many Sukriti, you can come in contact with pure devotion, and it is you who can get the more benefited. You can be benefited more and more, and you can get something which is spiritual.
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤ.
So, being very fortunate, one can come in touch with a pure devotee, with a pure Vaishnava. What is the significance of a pure devotee? How you can recognize that sadhu is pure? There is some point. It is described in Srimad Bhagavatam. When you are coming in touch with a sadhu, how you can recognize him as a pure sadhu? Once somebody asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, sadhu chinibo kemone? How we can recognize a sadhu, pure sadhu? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Jahare dekile mukhe ase Krishna naam tahare janiyo tumi Vaishnava pradhan. Seeing whom you can feel, you utter Hare Krishna, that is sadhu, real sadhu. After observing, after come in contact, close contact with somebody, some sadhu, if you feel something to utter Krishna naam, to chant Krishna naam, then he is the real sadhu. In short, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him the answer. But in Srimad Bhagavatam, so many significance, so many sign is there to recognize a sadhu. A sadhu, he must be detached from all worldly affairs. A real sadhu is never hankering after money, after man and money, after fame, after anything which is material. He had give up all the attachment with the material things. Even he not like his own body, he never be attached with his own body, because he know if the body is perishable, body will vanish, body will be not forever with me. So he don't be attached with his own body and anything material. So this is the significance. This is the point you can see and you can recognize a pure sadhu.
Luribadi sadhu si sebra ay si kamay na kanggadagi ay ng Maharaj na kamay na kanggadagi ay si Maharaj Kakili. Kamay na kanggadagi ay si Maharaj Kakili. Kanado ba miyoy kasi bagi sadhu na tabra kasi Chaitanya Mahaprabhu na sadhu chiniwit kaya mo na ay bagi sadhu kasi kamay na kanggadagi ay Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki भक्त मन हंग अदुदा चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने स्मरण कुबिले काय हे कुबुदा अदुगी छातु दो नत्रग मी दो मोय हे कुबुदा कृष्ण नाम सोनिवा अदुगी कृष्ण मसामक निचम बकमतो अदुगु ममी दो अदुगु रकांदा अदुगी इति छातु बसे बनी ने तापी ये अदुगु श्रीमद् भागवतम दति अतोपा साई मयाम मदे नस तापी कमाना तो छातु सी कमाना खंग दति हबेगी साई करी नो मसिदी मानी जगत संसार से कभी इतना मनी लेना दबा अदु को भी होय मानी पैसा की दरकार कादे देगी मां करी खाता है इज्जत की मत कादे ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯟꯃꯥꯟ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯄꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯗꯕ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯗꯦ ꯈꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯁꯥꯗꯨꯅꯦꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯗꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯗꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯒꯗꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ
What is the benefit to come in contact with a pure devotee? Come in contact with a pure Krishna. What is the benefit? If you come in touch with a sadhu, real sadhu, he can change your life. He can change your vision. He can change your vision. You are running after name and fame. You are running after enjoying the material things. Sadhu, a real sadhu, can change your direction. You are running towards enjoyment, material enjoyment. You are running after money and fame. You are running after your children, your son, daughter. You are running for your beautiful wife, beautiful house. But by the mercy of Lord Krishna, if you can come in touch, in close touch with a sadhu, with a real sadhu, he can change your motive. He can change the direction. You are proceeding towards hell. One sadhu can change your direction. He can let you proceed towards ananda, joy. He can change your direction to Lord Krishna, who is Satchidanandamaya.
महाराज नमकाता कापी भक्त वैष्णव उन्नति कानन करिनो हैन कापी असीम साधु उन्नरगा नखुद करि दोजबगे हैन खबिरी असीम साधु वैष्णव हिंगजरगदि पुंसीगी ममाई जोबगमी हैन महाराज कापी अखोइना कानदरबदा इज्जत अदगी पैसा अदगी युम फजबा इचा इशु असी मयाम सिरी बंधन में आपने पुल्लगा लेरबसे मसी किसी करेक्ट काना देखो कृष्ण की कृपा यावदरगदि करेक्ट काना देखो हाइबसे मसी ताकी उसे असी साधु नंतर ताकी गंगनी है महाराज ताकी अदुना साधु वैष्णव का अखोई संग तौजरगदि अखोइना मम्मगा लेजरम्बिबा अदुगुबा लंबीदो अंगान लंबीदा पुथोक्पिबा ngami ana norong taranggadong lambidो साधु वैष्णव का संग तौजरगा मटुगैदा अखोइसे अदुकी मतिक नुंगाइबा आनंद फंगबा भगवान श्री कृष्ण को मसक खंगबा सच्चित आनंद ओइबा ngami है महाराज ताकी
Everybody wants peace and happiness, but we don't know which is the real peace and happiness. Whatever we are doing from morning to evening, for peace and happiness, we are associating to our family, to our society, to our countrymen. What for? We are moving for peace and happiness. Everybody we want, we need peace and happiness. So everybody we are running, but one sadhu, one pure devotee, he can show you what is the real peace and happiness. He can show you the enjoyer, the creator, the almighty. He can operate your cataract. Cataract means your eye has been covered by Maya. So whatever you are looking, the object of enjoyment, material enjoyment, one sadhu can operate your cataract and he can give the real vision. He can give, he can let you, he can show you, he can let you know who is God, what is the nature of God, what we can get from the realization of God. He can show it. So we need one association of a pure devotee to change our vision, to get our vision and mission. That is the Krishna Prema, highest pursuit of our life. We need permanent peace. We need permanent happiness. We need permanent shelter. The peaceful abode, that is Bhuragal, the abode of Lord Krishna. So, for that, you must be touched with a pure sadhu. You must attached with a pure Vaishnava, then your life can be fulfilled. You can get, you can achieve the highest pursuits of your life, human life.
Ako'y punamakse, shanti pami, nungay ba pami. Adugo, shanti ga, nungay ba kasi kalay na kati, gadagay na kasi kami. Ayun dali na, nungay ang bawa, nungay na bagigay, ay ka na, ako'y nagawin na tabag maya, ako'y imong manugi, sama si, nagay ako'y nilaybaki, sige na, ako'y na, sukat na wali siya. Nungay na tingin siya, kasi shanti pang namagita magkatingin ra. Asay ko shanti, kasi nakoy na ra. Adugo, asay ko shanti, ako'y na, nungay na kanihan na wala na mga kayo tumitawa ko na ano ko nungay ba din pangpe. Kasi magigit, pura nungay ba, kasi ba nungay ba din kanino, ay ba din sabi mo ba tingnan asay ba sabi mo na, asay ba, mut ba na, rin ba, doy ba na, rin ba, nungay ba, masuk shanti, iba kami, ay na makarasang kapili. Sadu ba siya kasi ba na tapili ba si kanino, tapili ba si Ako'y si kanini na magtas si Mira ko no. Kananong kaya natin yung ngayon ang gagawin kasi naduga ako'y di kasi pati ngawdong punga mix si Daisy na ngawdong punga kasi pati nabubag ng tabado at nagdsak manay kaya. Sado ba siya kasi ba madali ngawdong may operation sa kung pilaga udri ba po ay pati mayan kung sa dagat ay po kaya doon ang pilaga kasi pati isure pa sa kanang pagami at naduga ako'y isure kita magtatali daw ganda ba no? Isure di ba mo daw sa sarino? Karang ba isure natin daw no? Ay ba do? Madu sado ba siya kasi ba nang tapi ba nga pinay na sa may tapi niya? Duga ako'y na kung lang iba ako'y itaw gado ko din tabag siya kasi di ka rin no? Krishna prema pangba Krishna di kaya din mo siya ba? Krishna na ako'y mo siya ba daw? Madu basan ang diba? Kamay nagtanggali madu din ako'y nagulong ka pagtaban Ham, sige, kita cakap apa tu yang kita. Dua naik dengan tungai ba, apa tu? Dua naik ke sana panggani na Maharaj tapi masih kemana panggani sadu bernomba sangkatorang ke panggani kaya masih tu panggaba atau yang nanti apa pun pergi ada juga. Why nanti awak ba hakka apa bukan pi pengang masih ke satu bisno. asingba sudapagta sinang bibibagam dali na takbir.
With the association of a pure devotee, pure Vaishnava, you can get knowledge transcendental. In this material world, school, college, university, they are giving you knowledge material. They are giving knowledge about technology, about the matter. They are giving knowledge about history, chemistry. But all this knowledge is material. And having association with this sadhu, you can get the knowledge transcendental, by which you can know God. Who is God? Who am I? Why I have come to this material platform? What we shall do to attain, to go back to our spiritual realm? The knowledge transcendental can let you know. So, if you attach with your devotee, if you keep yourself in close touch with a pure sadhu, pure Vaishnava, then the transcendental knowledge you can gather, and the knowledge will give you the vision to see the Almighty Lord Krishna.
अगर शुद्ध भक्त अमन थेंगजरा कांतिदुदा आध्यात्मिक की कोईबा ज्ञान से फंगने ये न महाराज तापीनी सिगी ज्ञान से दिया अपोई ना स्कूल दा कॉलेज दा यूनिवर्सिटी दा अमजरीबा ज्ञान से का यात्री न खेले मसिगी ज्ञान से मना दे कोचा की ज्ञान आता नहीं हिस्ट्री होए वो रॉ केमिस्ट्री होए रॉ मसिगी ता इन में हमसे कोचा की ना नहीं आत्मा की ज्ञान के मतलब तंगी दे अतुकु अपोई ना तंजदा थोड़ी बा आत्मा की ज्ञान से साधु संगत रगा kita terjadi aduna tapi rega kita masih atma yang sih terjadi aduna atma yang sih terjadi itu dan isu masih kalino hai masih apa masih ipang terjadi ai sih kali kita bertemu itu ai sih kenano ai itu isu masih terjadi mari lagi hai itu ada juga hai itu juga waktu yang sih satu sina tapi rega masih besar tapi rega masih yang terjadi apa itu sekali hamda atau terjadi pamrisu sudah betul sina apa yang pamrisu tidak ni tapi Maharaj.
You can see in Bhagavad Gita there is a sloka in 4th chapter. Tadviddhi punipadena pariprasnena sevaya upadikkhantiti jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. How you can get knowledge transcendental? How you can get knowledge divine? You have to approach a sadhu, pure devotee. And you go to a sadhu, real sadhu. You do pranam, humble obeisances to his lotus feet. Pranipad, pariprasna. You ask some question to the spiritual master about the nature of transcendental, and you should serve him. Pranipad pariprasnena sevaya upadikkhantite jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. If you go to a sadhu, if you come in touch with a sadhu, if you do pranam to him, his lotus feet, if you ask some question about the spirituality, and if you serve him, the knowledge transcendental will come automatically. Gradually it will come. In this way, you can gather knowledge transcendental. So, honest inquiry and obedient temperament and and pranipad. So the pranam, sastanga pranam. If you do pranipad to your spiritual master, to the lotus feet of spiritual master, and if you ask some question, and if you serve him, you should serve a sadhu. If you serve Vaishnava, Vaishnava Seva, very important. Bhagavad and other Shastra has given, do Vaishnava Seva. Narottam Das Thakur, one of the great devotees of Lord Chaitanya. Why? He said, Vaishnava Charana Nenu Mastake Bhusana Benu Ar Nahi Bhusane Ranto. Vaishnavera Padadhuri Taimor Snan Keli. Tarpan Mor Vaishnaver Naam. So you do Vaishnava Seva. Krishna Bhakti will come gradually, automatically.
Maharaj na makata na tapi ako'y Bhagavad Gita di chapter number 12 tagpilid dari pati na very prasni na si kaya ay sinuslok si desi na talino hari Krishna prema si kamay na pagdadage ako'y Krishna di matang nagyan si kamay na pagdadage kasi ako'y Vaishnav ako'y guru si dali kasi pa guru hadjaraga asing Vaishnav to na ako'y nagpranam pagdadani adu kamay na pagdadani yam na nulog na ay di kayo nagkakagdadani mo kaya yam na nulog na pagdadani magi ako'y Vaishnav ki charan thapada pagdadani adu ka wahay ako'y agyan ki ko'y ba adu ko ba wahang pagdadani adu ni matunda seva pagdadani masih ko'y taragani pagdadaba jadi wahang hagjaba seva hagjaba si ko'y taragani Krishna di matang nagyan si ko'y nang nakita ka din ay tap na lakani adu ko hangjari ng wahang singdo mandukido ako'y na kasi ako'y si kayo naghangjadre ay nagsangjaraga Arenda Taujaraga bagi guru ka hangjadre guru ni seva taujaraga adu ko'y taragani Vaishnav na pwede na matutuday doon na Vaishnav na pwede na matutuday doon na so yun na ako'y Krishna di nungsiba si Pandani Narottam Das Thakur hai ba Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ji siya sina may natakili Vaishnav na seva tayo taragani Krishna di bhakti so yun na Pandani
So, whatever we are discussing, you can get it from Ved, Upanishad, Puran, Srimad Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita. We are not telling anything concocted. We have got that knowledge from our spiritual master. You can get this knowledge through a pure devotee. And this is great India. India is the great, the place of Muni, Rishi, Sadhu, Vaishnava, Krishna Bhakta. You can see everywhere the places, holy places, the birthplace of Lord Krishna, birthplace of Lord Chaitanya, birthplace of Lord Rama, birthplace of Lord Shiva. So you can get here the sadhu, muni, rishi, who can give you the knowledge transcendental. I think everybody present here, you should do sadhu sangha. You should read Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. Gradually, the knowledge and understanding will come, and you will be able to do pure devotional service to Lord Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Sige matanda, aluloy ng Maharaj na Maharaj na sila hindi ba mayang Veda, Shastra, Upanishad, Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, ito po kumagdami hai. Ato pa, nanay mo iba, amata yaude, kasi po yung Veda, Shastra, ito po kumagdami, doon na, masini, yan, kasi mga tani dali na ako, kasi ba siya dapat na iba magaling. Ako yung Indiana, baharat na po kasi ako sila, magkakang magaling. Nalito kayo na, baharat na di, ako yung muni, sumugupangi, rishi, sumugupangi, sadhu mayang, sumugupangi, भगवान गोपी बंधा मयाम कसुले कृष्ण जी धाम पुखम जन्मस्थान वो भंगे चैतन्य महाप्रभु की जन्मस्थान ले ले राम प्रभु रामचंद्र की धाम ले ले महादेव शिव की धाम सुले ले अदुना साधु मुनि ऋषि मुइना कृष्ण की मतंग ज्ञान की बंबा ऐसी सिंबा वैष्णव मुक्त वैष्णव में आपसे ही ज्ञान ले अदुना कुछ कहता क्या मतलब है साधु संगत तो बनी है महाराज ने यहाँ कल ना नहीं है साधु संगत हुआ है किसी के नौ सुना भागवतम पामिनवा भगवद गीता पामिनवा तो तब ना किसी कृष्ण शिव भगवतनी कृष्ण की मतांग कलीनो कृष्ण बनानो कृष्ण कली पाके कृष्ण कमाने का चीज़ दे रही है मेरी नबी से ताकि रखनी है ना है ताकि मसीह का नाम तो दूसरा ऐसे ना भक्ति ऐसे तो नाम दे है ताकि हरे कृष्ण.
So I am very happy to be with you all, devotee, Krishna devotee. You all gave me time to discuss on Krishna Bhakti. So thank you all. Thank to Gaurangi Devi Dasi for the translation. Hare Krishna.